This ROVSUN Anti-Fatigue Drainage Mat in the 36 by 60 inch size uses thick rubber with large holes to let water and debris pass through, so wet areas stay much cleaner and safer underfoot. The heavy natural and recycled rubber construction feels solid and stable, giving reliable traction on slick floors in busy kitchens, bars, or workshops. Standing on the mat is noticeably more comfortable than on bare concrete, since the cushioned rubber helps reduce leg and back strain during long periods of work. Cleaning is straightforward because you can simply lift the mat, hose it off, and it sheds dirt, grease, and grime without needing special cleaners. The mat lies flat without curling, can be trimmed to fit tighter spaces, and works well in many spots like garages, basements, laundry rooms, and home gyms. Its rugged build and resistance to water and grease make it a practical long-term choice for both commercial entrances and home doorways that see heavy traffic.